This baker is adorable. What I love about Temp-tations is they're consistently and constantly updating our creativity in the kitchen by bringing us new and exciting items. For 21 years, they've been giving us those ideas, and this looks like it was inspired by the cutest little flower box, right? But it's actually a 2-quart deep dish baker. The cool thing about this is it's got handles on either side, it's stoneware, and we've got 2 different pattern choices for you. Would you like me to start with Old World? Okay, so down here at the end, we're going to start with our Old World. We have Old World and we have Woodland. This is the Old World Yellow. 375 remain. This is the Old World Gray. 200 remaining. Old World in the blue. There are 200 remaining, and we have 3 more options to show you on QVC.com. Confetti, 150 left. We have green. There are 6 dozen left. And taupe. And we have 100 left in taupe. Now, in the woodland pattern, we're going to come in and take a look at the woodland taupe. That's where you get those natural looking embossed woodland pattern on the outside. There's 100, did you say 150 remaining? 150 in the woodland taupe. Woodland slate blue, 250 left in woodland gray. We have 300 left. And then we have the woodland buttercream. And we only have about 120 remaining, and you can see that on your screen now. Now, it's the first day presented at this lower price. It was $26.97, great deal for stoneware. But today it's $16, I have to say it with an echo effect, $16.36 on a clearance price. That price is ridiculous, especially with a piece that's on a no reorder. You want to grab it while we have it. And that, if that doesn't inspire gifting and sharing and picking up multiples, I don't know what we're going to do next. Lisa Lasorte is joining us live to talk to us all about it. I love this baker, Lisa.
Hey, Mary.
Yes,
Mary,
I'm sorry.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Can
Sorry.
you hear me?
I can now.
See,
wait, I got the signal.
This is also like, remember the phone they used to have on Seinfeld? It's also, that's where the inspo came from this. Yes. Kidding.
Love you so much. You know what? Lisa Lasorte is joining us throughout In the Kitchen with Mary today. She's the Vice President of Merchandising and Broadcasting for the Temp-tations family. And I love this. It looks like the cutest little flower pot. But,
I'm sorry. Like, that wasn't on cue. We did not practice, I promise.
Not a
but
bit.
Here's what I love about this. This is why Tara Tescher is known as a lifestyle expert, because this piece alone, and the price is unbelievable.
Ridiculous.
But it will take you from everyday to holiday, indoors to outdoors, kitchen to living room to powder room. It's just that piece. You decide where you're going to use it, but this is stoneware. It has great depth. If you want to bake in it, great. It's a 2-quart capacity. If you want to put flowers in it, look how amazing that is.
So pretty.
It's that elongated shape and design. Oh, and by the way, and I'm not kidding you, this is what I use it for all the time. Fill it with ice, and I put a wine bottle, and I lay it in just like this. And this is why you want to pick these up, because it makes the perfect gift. I'm not kidding. Like, if you can swing a couple to just have in your gift closet,
it's brilliant.
You will find, layer it as a basket, put bath salts, put the Josie Marin stuff in here.
Yeah.
This is a fantastic piece.
Well, and it's only 5 inches wide, so it's easy to store too, easy to stack them up. If you do pick up more than one today, look at that. But I like the fact that it's 5 inches deep, so you can use it to bake your bread. You can use it to make a big old honkin' meatloaf if you want to, but it's dishwasher, freezer, fridge, microwave, and oven safe. By the way, we just coined a new term. That's a honkin' meatloaf. Don't know what one's got to do to be a honkin' meatloaf, but that's a whole other episode. Yeah.
I'm gonna stay away from that if you don't mind.
I think I should too. I think I should too. Hey, in the Old World choices, we have Old World Yellow. Look how pretty that is. Look how sunshiny and happy. There's only 350 left in that Old World Yellow. Isn't that beautiful? Here is your Old World Gray. There's how many left, Jonathan? 200 left in Old World Gray. Here's Old World Blue. Fewer than 200 left. And then we have Old World Confetti. 150 in the confetti. We have 5 dozen in green. Taupe, we have 100 left. And that's it in the old world. Now, here is your woodland in taupe. 135 remaining. Here is your woodland in slate blue. 200 left. Here's your woodland in the gray. 250 left. And we have one more woodland in the buttercream. There are fewer than 100. This 2-quart baker is $16.36. And when I look at the patterns, it just reminds me, Lisa, how beautifully it's just a family of color. Everything is going to work together so well.
Mary, thank you for saying that. When you were going through the colors, I want everyone to remember this is hand touched by an artisan. So when Mary shows that old world gray right there, that is literally hand painted every petal by an artisan. I also love the fact that it's a baker that becomes a flower pot, that becomes a wine holder. That's what we call magical transformation at Temp-tations. But I now have 2 quarts of mac and cheese that I can easily, hello old friend, that again, little accents like helper handles on the side, that when you're baking in it, now it's really easy to pull out of the oven. Because of that slim design, it's great in a toaster oven, it's great in smaller spaces. The price is literally, I don't ever remember having a 2-quart anything at this value. Oh, I'm sorry, wait, are you talking to me? I can't hear you.
No, I was just calling to tell you that 2-quart baker that we were talking about last week, you remember?
Yes.
It's now less than $17.
It's actually, I got to go to the phone. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm holding a phone. Oh, no, I'm not holding a phone. Anyway, this piece, and the other thing I just want to show you, I don't have another empty one, but if you pick up multiples and you want to stack, they literally fit right inside of each other. So you could pick up 2 or 3 of these, and then you're going to be set for summer entertaining. Fast forward to the holidays when you want to do your scalloped potatoes, or you want to bring a bottle of wine to someone's house. This is just perfection. Yeah. And don't forget, beautiful.
I know.
Flowers.
I just, for $16, just get them home. And there's no reorder. In Old World, we have the blue, we have confetti, green, gray, taupe, and yellow. Now, in the woodland, we have buttercream, gray, slate blue, taupe, and their clearance price is $16.36. Now, Lisa, will you please, can you come back and join us in just a little bit? Do you have the time today to be able to do that?
Copy that. I'll be back in T minus 26.
Fantastic.
Something like that.
Thank you, my friend, for just playing along and for being the sweet spirit that you are. Thank you. We will see you soon. Bye-bye for now.